Hi here, welcome to my Zero Buster review. Here we are inside the members area and I'm going to give a detailed walkthrough of exactly what this is and exactly how it works. In a nutshell, Zero Buster is going to show you a unique way of start making money online by selling printed products like teas, mugs, cushions, covers and all kinds of different stuff. Teespring will print all the product on demand and whenever a customer comes through you to Teesprings, they will print it and ship it directly to the customer. And since the customer came through you, you will earn the commission based on the product. And all this is done by zero investment. And if this product is something to your interest, then stick with me as I go in more details. I also have some custom bonuses for you all. Click on the link on the description down below, which is going to redirect you to the bonus page and you'll be able to access all my bonuses here. Click on any of the red buttons and it will take you to the sales page where you can buy this product Zero Buster and you'll be able to access all my custom bonuses here that I have made exclusively for you and they are not available for any other vendor but just for me. There are also vendor bonuses that the vendor is offering you and they will also be given to you. So my first bonus that I'm going to give you, the first bonus that I'm offering you is Zero Buster. Earn money from Zero Buster by 10k email manifesto. In this particular tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to earn money by building your own email list. So whenever you sell out a product, it will help you further whenever you launch a new product or a new printed product. You can just spam their email and they will get back to you and buy from you. My second bonus is web traffic multiplier. So it will help you drag traffic from all kind of social media sites and websites like Instagram, Facebook to build your list and print on demands and even earn more. My third and last bonus is AdWords retargeting. In this tutorial, it will help you how to retarget your customers. So it will help you teach you how to retarget and earn even more from Zero Buster. And then finally, all the vendor bonuses. Even if you purchase the front end product that is $9.99. So even if you purchase the front end product that is just for $9.95, you will be going to access all these product and custom bonuses that I'm offering you. So click on any of the red buttons here. You can click any of the red buttons here on this bonus page and it will redirect you to the sales page where you can actually buy this product. And once you brought this, go through to your Warrior Plus account on the top right corner, just hover over your name and click on purchase history. Once you click on that, it will open a window like this. So there will be a blue button which says access affiliate bonuses. You can access all my bonuses before this timer on my bonus page sets to zero. It comes to zero and it is something I don't want this to happen to you all. So buy this product, click on the link on description down below and get this product for you. Now all these bonuses are going to be delivered to you even if you buy the front end product. Moving on to the sales page, discover how Cynthia built an online biz for free within 30 minutes. That's making her $100 daily. No paid ads, no expenses, no biz. That's great. It's built for newbies, runs on autopilot 24/7, live the laptop lifestyle, make money out of thin air. All it takes is 30 minutes of dead simple work, high quality step by step video training, 30-day money back guarantee. So click on this button right here and buy a product now. Many big affiliates have reviewed her product and have given her 5 stars. So I guess this must be a good hack of it. Just look at the money that I've been able to make. Just look at the money, $142, $38, $50. That's great. when you spend when you have to spend only $9 for the front end product, and you can make this without building an email list, making videos, creating products, tech skills, hard work, or no expensive whatsoever. Now let's move on to the members area. This first module, welcome module, the walkthrough, the method, the disclaimer, the research. Module 6, the design. Module 7, the setup. Module 8, the traffic, which is very important. Module 9, the more sales strategy. Module 10, the results. Module 11, conclusion. There's a lot of content that you're getting just for $9.95, right? And there are 4 bonuses that the vendor is offering you, that Cynthia is offering you, and also my exclusive bonuses that you'll be getting even if you pick the front end product, that is $9.95. So hurry and don't miss out this product. Now let's talk about the price up and upsells. The front end product is $9.95, and once you buy this front end product, you'll be able to access all the vendor bonuses and all my exclusive bonuses that I mentioned earlier, and I'm mentioning this again. So even if you pick the front end product, you'll be able to get these. The upsell number 1 is zero busted traffic, that is $27. So Cynthia will teach you free and paid traffic sources to promote your new business. So Cynthia will be teaching you how to get paid traffic sources to promote your new business. Upsell number 2, zero buster done for you designs, that is $47. So you will get 5,000 plus designs that are already done for you. Upsell number 3, zero buster license rights to sell as your own product, that is $67. You can sell Zero Buster as your own product, and you can keep the 100% commissions of the sale that you are going to make across this funnel. So basically what you're going to do is you will be making people come through to this page by your link, and once they are gonna buy this, you will be getting the 100% commission of the Zero Buster. So you are having the license rights to sell this as your own product, and that is just for $67. Upsell number 4, that is quite a no-brainer, guys. Coaching, that is $197. There are many coaches out there that teach you regarding internet marketing, and they cost you like $300 or more than $300 or $500. But here Cynthia will be teaching you, coaching you for a month, where she will help you one-on-one, and it is only for $197. It's quite affordable, and if you have that money paying laying around, just go get this. So that's it for the review video. Thank you for watching my video. And don't forget, before this timer sets to zero, buy this awesome product and start your online business with zero investment and $0. You don't have to invest anything, you don't have to pay anything, you just have to buy this just for $9.95, plus all the exclusive bonuses, plus the vendor bonuses, and all the stuff that Cynthia is offering you. So go get it, guys, before this timer sets to zero. Click on any of the red buttons right here, which will redirect you to the sales page. Then click on this button right here and buy the product and access all your bonuses that I mentioned. And thank you for viewing.